Desi! How are you? I'm good. It's good to be back out here. I miss this field.
You got the novice gun?
Yes.
How is it? It's supposed to be pretty sweet, isn't it?
Thing sucks!
I enjoy it. Oh, sorry.
Well, that just sort of happened to me. I mean, I didn't even participate in that.
I'm gonna use your intro.
What? What do you think? Should we do another one, or what do you think?
Another one. So he's supposed to be upset with you, right?
Yes. Yeah, this kind of gets me. Hey, man. Yeah, dude. Yes.
Why are you using my freaking intro?
There you go. I love that.
Oh, okay. All right. And sing.
Yes, perfect.
No clap.
Yay! That's gonna be great. Am I recording?
I got a question.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
So you guys will come to me. After a minute, you guys come right back in. Okay?
Cool.
Anyone have any questions?
Can I take you on a date?
It's a steak dinner, though.
It is a steak dinner.
I'm coming.
Bet. Look, I'm just trying to smash on the first date. That's all, man. I'm gonna be up
It might
front.
be a little harder than that. It might be a little harder than that. You know what I mean?
It's best to be at least told up front.
Yep. You're actually right about that.
You know what I'm saying?
You're actually right about that.
Alright, so right now we're currently in Bumfuck, Alabama. Micah had a radiator fault.
This is and a heavy ass trailer.
Ooh, look at that ass.
Excuse me?
Oh, hi Carly.
I was like, who are you talking about? You better not be talking about my ass.
No, I was talking about your husband's.
Okay, just make sure.
That makes it even better. You left your backpack?
No, it's on a cart, taking it over to our Alpha.
Would you want to carry the A bag? Or you already got a heavy loadout?
I already got a heavy loadout as is.
You don't brag about your heavy load.
It is Freaky Friday.
Is it Saturday?
Oh, it is Saturday. Sexy Saturday.
Dude, Don. I said my ass cheeks, not my ass. That's used to it.
Did somebody say pegboard?
Hey, he's talking to you.
This is my story. So I was getting freaking with this chick when I was in college before I met my wife, and she's like, hey, you want to try some butt stuff? And I'm like, not really my thing, but I'll give it a whirl. She's like, okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, get prepped up. 5-10 minutes passes, she comes out with a strap on. I'm like, oh no.
We've already got everything moving up.
Music to my ears. I take that back.
They being dropped and stacked up on the building across from the door that we came in.
Oh! What the f?
We're dead.
Yeah, I guess we're dead. Dead! Hit!
Well, I died.
Shark Bait, I wish you were here, buddy. Miss you.
Set the spring back in here and you gotta put an Allen wrench in here.
You shot me in the foot.
I'm sorry. It's a ghost gun.
Fix your gun. I've yet. Hey.
Hey, sorry I squeaked your squeak.
Do it again. That's one of my many grenades. That's going through a doorway instead.
Here, just do this. Just say quack out.
It's a quack bang. So you're leaving
Oh,
your
it's a quack bang?
It's a quack banger.
Hey, Noah.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm here.
Okay.
This is the way. Oh yeah! Yes, I love playing with meme softers. Yeah! Yes!
Why do you think I'm a fucking rubber duck?
Exactly. And it's my.
Send it!
What is Oh, you need that like that crotch rocket where he goes like, oh
yeah. You're a tree.
Tag, you're it.
Firing sound.
Boom.
I just shoot people.
That's how we make the world go round, is by just shooting each other. Hey, Noah, your hospitality flag is upside down. It looks like you have a pentagram on.
Oh no! I'm misrepresenting the state of Mississippi.
What the hell happened to you?
I fragged 2 rooms full of dudes and they shot me in the face.
Are you okay, dude?
Oh, I'm fine.
Now that's a man.
Yes, that is. You want to say hi to Mom? Hey, Mom. We're about to kill people.
Sure hope so. If we die in a chopper crash, I'm happy it's with you.
Same here, brother. Same here. I like your RPK. LC team?
Especially technicals.
Very nice. Very nice.
You feeling better, Will?
Yeah, I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better.
Look a little puny.
I'm always puny.
Load of this.
Yeah.
Over here.
I'm checking your pulse.
I know. I just wondered who was doing it.
No. They just J-Dam 13 and 14, so we need to get guys over there.
Here, I'm gonna radio Laz. Laz, you got a copy.
What are they saying?
Repeat that.
Sorry, orange building.
That's the orange building right there.
Laz, be advised, they just dropped the JDAM over on 1314. Does anybody got an extra Baofeng radio? Or extra, or battery? I just want to tell this to shut up. I'm joining the fight, Ken.
All right, man. So, you heard all the details. I guess right now, Craig's over at 13.
You want me to just you go to the tunnels?
Yeah, get a bunch of dudes, take them with you.
Hello.
Y'all want to get in a firefight?
Yeah.
On a fight, ain't you?
Yes, sir. I was about to say, let's go.
Want to get on a fight? What? Us? No.
What? Come on now. We're just going to shower them with love and BBs. All right, gents, let's go.
Who are we? Try hard! Who are we? Try hard! Who the f are we? Try hard! What do we do? Kill till we die!
I'm in danger.
I'm just here for the ride.
Babe. Yes, ma'am. Letting you know, if they start shooting, I'm ducking behind the saw gunner's legs.
Ooh.
Is it cute?
Weird shit. I know what you think. It's not the thing. These are the LMG.
Yo, get out, man!
Out. Go. Go. Hell yeah, what's up, brother?
We're rolling with you. Y'all about to do some goon squad.
Let's do this, bro.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Here, follow me. I need a squad group. Come with me. Let's go. We're going to try to go and attack that building that LMG's coming from. Come on. Keep pushing. Oh, grenade! How do I talk?
You guys speak loud.
Hey, Eastern, you suck.
He said, "Be careful, don't stretch it."
Ooh, kinky.
Grab my thing, but don't stretch it, please.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Hey! Green team, shake it for me, baby.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like a salt shaker. Shake it like a salt shaker.
Hey, Western, just want to let you know we love you.
Thank you for the pretty smoke.
Pepto-Bismol, Pepto-Bismol
Come
for
closer.
the shit. Hitting y'all with the shit. Let's go. Hit them with the shit.
Hey guys, just want to give you all a public service announcement. This is what happens when you don't call your hits. So call your hits and don't be a
I like that shit.
You are a very beautiful man.
Thank you.
You can have them.
I play airsoft.
Hey, yes, exactly.
Pull the pin really hard and then throw it.
Oh gosh, I'm scared. Broke the grass.